Hi friends, welcome to AI testing with Vijay. In this video we are going to see about max fail. So max fail is like you are telling to Pytest to stop the test runs after n number of failures. Okay, so for you need to provide like max fail is equal to some number, so that once that condition is met it will stop the execution. So in real world how this gonna help you is like you have some 50 test cases in your test suite. Okay, you want to notify if there is one failure also, you don't want to continue the execution. Example, the second test get failed and the condition that you entered is max fail is equal to 1. Okay, at that moment what will happen, from third test case till 50th test case it won't execute because there is a failure at second test case. That's the use of max fail. Okay, to ensure that there is no failures, or to ensure that this much percentage I am okay, this much number I am okay. So at that time this is very useful and it helps you to save time during deployment, development and debugging as well. So during your framework design this is very useful. Okay, now in our case, the example on your screen right now, on my screen you are seeing, right, there are some 5 test cases. Okay, out of that I wrote test to fail 3 and pass 2. Okay, total 5 test cases. To just see them, you just give pytest -v, then the file name is this maxfail, then this is the case, the expected is 3 failed, then 2 pass. Okay, and time it took is 0.10 seconds. Okay, now what I am trying to achieve with this is like, let's see, now I don't want to execute this test suite if there is one failure also. Okay, in our case what will happen, let's see, the first test is pass for sure. Okay, now the second test will fail, right, because 1 never equal to 2. Okay, so what will happen if I give max fail as a 1, so the 3, 4, 5 will never execute because the max life I am giving, max fail I am giving here is 1, right? What if I give as a 3, so this is pass, this is fail, this is fail, again this is fail, and this is pass, right? So let's experiment one by one so that we will understand it better. Now to make it to make use of max fail, you need to give pytest -- then max fail, okay, is equal to some number. Example, in my case I am just giving 1. I don't want to continue execution if I see one failure also. Okay, now you can see already one failure occur. Okay, that's the reason stopped after 1 failures, straight away it stopped executing. Now example, I'm making change, I'm expecting 3 pass, 2 failures. Now per suppose, 1 minute, sorry, per suppose. Okay, now how many pass? 3 passes are there, 2 failures are there. Now what I am going to give is as 3, and I need to provide the file name as well. Now let's see what will happen. Since my expectation is 3 failures, but how many I have? Only 2 failures, right? So that's the reason the test suite get executed. Now what if I give this as 2? So it stopped the execution after 2 failures. Where are those failures? This is 1 failure, this is the second failure, and it haven't executed 4th, 5th, right? That's the reason you are seeing 2 failed, 1 passed. You are not seeing like 2 failed, 3 passed. So this is the number, max fail is the number okay to accept. Okay, If you give 1, if it see one failure, then and there itself it will stop execution. It will not execute the rest of the test cases, so that you can save lot of time. Okay, so I hope you got an idea like how to make use of xfail, max fail. Okay, and I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you.